Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain in hosting or web hosting and then install WordPress on it. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once logged in, go to your web hosting plan and click on Manage. On the left-hand side, you'll see a Domain tab. In the Domain section, find and click on the Subdomain option. In the Create a New Subdomain section, enter the name you want for your subdomain. For example, I'm using shop.gadgetgayani.com. In the Custom Folder field, enter a name for the folder and then click on Create. Your subdomain is now created. Go back to the hosting dashboard. Scroll down to find the WordPress option and click on it. On the upper right-hand side, you'll see your main domain. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and select your newly created subdomain. Click on the Install WordPress button. Fill in the details for your website, including the admin username and password. Leave the other settings as they are, and enter a password for the database if needed. Then click on Next Install. Wait for 2 or 4 minutes while WordPress is being installed. After installation, click on the admin panel on the right-hand side to access your newly created subdomain website. Go to the Plugins section and remove any unnecessary hosting or plugins. And that's it. You've successfully created a subdomain and installed WordPress on it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment with any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!